Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rian Gusti Wibawa. My name 192309557. I'm from class 192A04 Sistem Informasi. Computer and its parts. This is a part komputer umum atau general purpose computer. A general computer. A general computer is a computer that can do many different types of work. As programmable machine, a computer has two characteristics. One, respond to a certain set of well-crafted commands. Two, executes the given list of commands programs. Computer have components that are divided into two large parts, namely perangkat keras, hardware, physical parts of the computer, for example, monitor, CPU, keyboard, etc. 2. Perangkat lunak software. Program that run on a computer, for example, operating system, application, and so on. PCs can be further classified into two groups, namely PC built up. PCs issued by certain computer companies, for example, Acer, IBM, and others. PC rakitan, PCs assembly. PC that is assembled by an individual or computer shop. Server, uh, physically similar to a PC. Only the CPU casing but has higher specification, more powerful, faster, larger capacity. Servers are generally produced by a particular computer company, for example, IBM, HP, Dell, and others. PC is used, PC is used as a server for cost reasons. Mainframe. It is a collection of computers that function to do many jobs simul simultaneously with very large amounts of data. Supercomputer, consisting of cutting-edge computers that focus on doing certain jobs at very high speeds. Uh, that's all, and see you. This is materi pertama. Materi kedua ada lagi introduction to computer device. Device computer have to software and hardware. Hardware in input, process, output, storage. Understanding hardware. The definition of hardware is one of the components of a computer whose properties can be seen and touched directly on or in a tangible tangible form which function to support the computerization process. Based on its function, computer hardware is divided into input device unit masukan. Input device are equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system, such as a computer or information equipment. Example of input device include keyboard, computer mice, scanner, camera, joystick, and microphone. Two, process device unit pemrosesan. Processing device is a component that functions to process data. After entering data into a computer via an input device such as a keyboard, the data will be processed first in uh, presented to user via an output device. Three, output device atau unit keluaran. An output device is any computer hardware that converts information or data into a human perceivable form historically into a machine readable physically form for use with other non-computer equipment. It can be text, graphic, touch, audio, or video. Backing storage, unit penyimpanan. Backing storage is also called a storage unit. Is a medium for storing various types of program and large files, both those, both those that are being operated and those that are not in use. Peripheral atau unit tambahan. Peripheral device are device that provide additional functionality related to input and output for a computer. For example, keyboards and mice are input peripherals, while monitor and printers are output peripherals. Input device beberapa macam. Keyboard. The keyboard can be used to type and edit text in program or application on a computer. The keyboard also has the function of moving the cursor and selecting objects on the computer, such as document application or menus. Mouse. A mouse is a tool used to data into a computer which function to help computer users to direct the cursor or arrow on Windows operating system and the like. Mm, touchpad. The touchpad functions as a navigation tool that makes it uh, easier for us to move the cursor on the laptop. Like pen. A light pen is an electronic pointer that functions to modify and design image with a computer monitor. It looks like a pen and is connected to a computer device with a cable, joystick, and pedal games. Pedal joystick is a simple controller device used in games. This is one of the oldest joystick and consists of just one lever and on-fire button. This is the control for the first home video game console. Barcode. Barcode are used to store specific data. For example, item code, storage location, price, expiration date, and others. Items that have barcode will speed up and increase the accuracy of cashier in serving payment from consumer. Scanner. The main function of a scanner is to scan physical document into digital format. Common use case is scanning letter, invoice, contract, or legal document. Then, once save it digital form, you can enter this document into the management system. Hmm. To process device unit process. Process power supply. Power supply is hardware that provides electrical power Power to all components in a computer system or electronic device. Um, its function is similar to a power adapter, but the power supply on a computer is generally more complex and is designed to provide power to various devices in the system unit. RAM, random access memory. RAM can be understood as a device or module that functions to prevent a computer or smartphone from slowing down. To higher or larger the RAM, the mm, more easily and quickly the device can operate. VGA card atau kartu grafis. VGA. VGA is computer hardware that functions to translate to the display to the monitor screen. VGA is also often referred to as a graphic card. VGA is used to refer to a screen resolution of 1640 x 40 and 480 regardless of the graphic card hardware manufacturer. Um, Processor unit pemrosesan. Processor is a term also known as CPU. The main function of the processor is to execute command, execute them, and output the result of the commands. The processor also interact with other components in the computer. Um, Motherboard, unit pemrosesan. The motherboard is power distributor and connector for all types of computer components so that they can communicate with each other. If detailed in more detail, here are the functions of the motherboard. Moving data between components. Sends commands from the CPU to other components. 3. Output device, unit keluaran. Monitor. A monitor is hardware that is used as a graphical data output tool on a CPU and is referred to as a computer display screen because the monitor functions as a display of image from the inside of the computer. It is almost impossible to use the computer without using a monitor. Printer. A printer is a printing device. The main function of the printer to present writing or image on flat media such as paper in various sizes. Speaker. Speakers are electronic devices made of metal and have membranes, coils, and magnets as complementary parts. Without a membrane, a speaker will not produce sound and vice versa. For backing storage, unit penyimpanan hard disk HDD. For user, the function of a hard disk is very vital as a place to store all kinds of data, file and virtual documents such as doc, PDF, MP3, etc. With the function of the hard disk in storing various files, you could say that the hard disk is the lifeblood of a user on their computer. Mm, 5. Peripheral unit tambahan modem. A modem, modular demodulator, is a device that functions to connect computer, laptops, and smartphones to the internet network. Data that comes from your device, such as a laptop or smartphones, is data in digital form. Kartu suara, sound cards. Sound cards are primarily used to convert digital data from a computer into analog data that user can hear. This is all and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.